Hello guys, today we are making rice and egg sauce in a very simple way. If this is the first time you're seeing my channel or seeing my video, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like. So join me as we make this egg sauce and white rice in a simple way. My white rice is already on the fire, it's getting ready, and also I have my eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. I told you it's a very simple recipe, and I'm also using tomatoes. I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using onions. I'm using crayfish because I like to add crayfish in almost all my meal because it's very healthy. I also have my bouillon cubes. I have started frying my vegetable oil. Added my onions first, which is the traditional way of cooking, and I also added the pepper. I like it to fry for a little minute because you give it a very good stir. I like the traditional way of cooking. I actually allow my sauce, or even though it's stew I'm cooking, to actually boil on my spoon before I will consider it ready and maybe ready to add any other thing. That is how I make sure, because I make sure everything is very cooked. At this time we have added the tomatoes and we have started frying. So come with me guys. This is a very simple recipe for every family. You can make it for your kids, you can make it for your husband, actually, because it is not every time you make stew, the traditional stew. This is also good for rice, it is good for yam, it is good for plantain. Okay, here is me checking if my tomato sauce is ready to add eggs, because eggs is visually the last thing I will add to this food. I will add to this cooking. So let's allow it to boil and give it a good stir. I think it's ready because I'm adding my bouillon cubes here, and also I will add my crayfish along with my bouillon cubes because I love it that way. It gives me a balance of the taste I actually want to come out from this sauce. Next thing is to add our eggs. I have sauced these eggs with bouillon cubes to give it taste and to give it the taste I actually want. Actually, I use one cube of naan. Okay, and this is the egg sauce, guys. It is getting ready. It is getting ready. Soon our meal will be ready for the family. You can do this for your kids before they go to school. You can do this for your husband. You can do this. Okay, the rice is ready, plated in a box shape, and egg sauce. This is it, guys. This is goodness. This is the goodness I'm talking about. A taste of this will not make you to make ordinary tomato stew again. You will love it. You will want to always make it because it actually give you a different taste from this traditional stew we cook every day. So thank you. If you are a rice lover like me, you can try this recipe for your kids, you can try this recipe for your husband, you can try this recipe for the family and for yourself. Thanks for watching.